for anyone who's tried and felt like they are failing over and over again. You're not alone. This is just a tactic that the enemy uses to help us to feel fearful, afraid, procrastinate, stagnate, feel stuck. The enemy comes to steal, kill, and destroy, but the Lord, our Lord Jesus Christ, came that we may have life and have it in abundance. The moment we realize the authority that has been built already in us before we were even born, that's gonna just give us confidence to enter bolder, more confident, knowing whose we are, and knowing that, by the way, it's not up to me to start seeing the client that is going to come in the future. Mine is to prepare. Mine is to make sure that I have the documents I need. My business looks good. Is that logo well done? How do I receive clients? What kind of presentations am I doing? I'm going to be showing you all of that. But for the people that are design enthusiasts, we are going to be talking about all things mistakes that we are making, and how to ditch them, and how we can live in homes that we love. If any of that sounds like it's amazing to you, have a seat, go grab a cup of tea or coffee, because it's about to get fun and exciting here at Design with Chris. See you on the next episode.